this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room amenities, facilities, and images, etc. We talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is Vista Studios, located in the surrounding facilities of rooms are available on several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. You are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have any you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon